I am Bensi JB of NVKST College of Education. Today we are going to learn about the specific heat capacity and thermal capacity. And what is specific heat capacity? Let's learn. Okay. This is the images of oil and water. If we heat the oil and water, which one gets hotter fast? Oil only get hotter fast. Why oil heater earlier than water? Do you know that? Okay, this is about the specific heat capacities of the materials. So a material needs can absorb the particular amount of oil, so that absorbing the heat absorbing power is um, tendency sorry it's a tendency is maybe high or low for the those materials. So water has high specific heat capacity. It needs high heat to boil it. So now today we are going to discuss more about this heat capacity and specific heat capacity. Then properties of heat energy in liquids. The amount of heat energy absorbed or lost by a body is determined by three factors. They are mass of the body, change in temperature of the body, nature of the material of the body. Okay. Then the quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 liter of water will be more than the heat required to rise the temperature of 500 milliliter of water. If Q is the quantity of heat absorbed and M is the mass of the body, then Q directly proportional to M. Then observation 2, the quantity of heat energy Q rise to the temperature of 250 ml of water to 100 degrees Celsius is more than the heat energy required to rise the temperature for 50 degrees Celsius. Here Q directly proportional to del T, where del T is the change in the temperature of the body. Then heat lost or gained by a substance when its temperature changes by del T is Q directly proportional to M del T. Q is equal to MC del T. Then proportionality constant is the specific heat capacity C of the substance. C is Q by M del T. Then specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of the substance is defined as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 kilo of the substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. The unit of the heat capacity is joule kilogram Kelvin inverse. And water is used as a coolant. Water has the high specific capacity and its value is for 4200 joule per kilogram and Kelvin. So water absorbs large amount of heat for a unit rise in temperature. Thus water is used as a coolant in car, radiator, and factories to keep engines and other machinery parts cool. It is because of the same reason temperature of water in lake does not change much during daytime. And the heat capacity or thermal heat capacity, another name of the heat capacity is thermal heat capacity. Heat capacity or thermal capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of body by 1 degree Celsius. It is denoted by C. Heat capacity and quantity of heat required divided by rise in temperature. C is equal to Q by T. The SI unit of heat capacity is joule per kilogram. Then this is all about the specific heat capacity. It is the tendency of the material to absorb the heat. It is called as the specific heat capacity. This is another name of heat capacity is the thermal capacity. This is all about thermal heat capacity and specific heat capacity. So I hope you all understand this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.